Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just want to talk about how to calculate the date of birth, like if there's many employee in any organization and or if there's any students in any school. So how to calculate the day of that student, and how to calculate the month of that student, and how to calculate the year of that student. So actually it is too easy to calculate the day and month and year of every student or every employee in any organization. So before we starting the video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. So actually here's I just want to clear the one point, like this is a common issue in Excel. Whenever you are for example put it the date, or like to find out the day of any person, so in that time here you will be faced with the error. But how to remove this one error? Actually in a computer system, the month is first and the date is second and the year is third. So actually if you write on this one way and on this one right way, so you will be not faced with this one issue. So this is a common issue and you just focus on that. First of all you just write a date, and after that you just write a month. Like first you write a month, and second one you just write the date, and the third one you just put the year. So you will be never faced with this type of issue. So right now I just want to first of all to find out the day, and the second one I just want to find out the month, and the third one I just want to find the year. So right here I just want to write the equal, and it is important to write the equal in Excel to be execute any formula, to start any formula. And right now I just want to write the text, and right now you can see I just want to write the text and open the bracket right over here, and I just want to select this one date, and after that I just want to write the comma and open the double quoted and write 4 times DDD. In the computer language, if you press the 4 times D, so it means you are finding the date day. So actually if you want to find out the day, so you just put the 4 times D right over here. So right now I just want to click right over here, and you can see the way the day of the person are calculated from the date of birth. So this is actually the day where the person are birth. The day is actually the Wednesday. So this is how can you calculate the day from the date of birth. And you secondly I just want to click on the month, and the same formula will be used for this as well. If you want to find out the month, so you just once again you just click the value from where you want to calculate the month, and right now you just press the comma and open the double quoted, and right here you just press the 4th time month right over here, and once again close the double quoted, and once again close the bracket and press the enter. So you can see the month is September, and you can see if you look to the date of birth, actually the month is 9, so actually this is September month. So this is how can you calculate from the date of birth this month. Right now I just going to be calculate the year. The same formula will be used for this as well, but if you once again I just want to talk about this. If you are facing with the issue, if you are facing with the error, so you just focus on that. First of all you should write right over here the month, and the second one should be day, and the third one should be year. So you will be not faced with this type of issue. So right now I just want to open the bracket, and once again I just want to click the value from where I calculate the year, and once again I just want to put the comma, and once again I just want to press the double quoted, and once again I just want to write the 4 times Y. So once again I just want to put the double quoted, and once again I just want to close the bracket, and once again I just want to click on the enter. So this is how can you calculate the year and month and day. So right now if you want to calculate the overall, so you need to do anything more. You just gonna to be come to the right corner at the bottom of the right, and you can see the our cursor are going to be black and thin. So you just going to be double click on this, and you can see every person month, every person day are calculated automatically. And once again if you are doing like this, so you just do same process for that as well, and you can see I'm just going to be come to the right corner at the bottom, and you can see the cursor are going to be thick and black dark, and once again I'm just going to be double click on this, and you can see the month are also directly calculated from here. And once again I just want to calculate it from here as well as. So this is how can you calculate the day and month and year from date of birth. So this is I think too easy, and if you are facing with the issue, so you should focus on that. You just write the month firstly, and the secondly should be day, and the third should be year. So this is how can you calculate the overall day, month, year in Excel. And it is too important question as well as in job interview, like if you are applying for any job, so in that time they are automatically asked this one question. But if you are facing with this one issue, if you don't know the complete rules of computer, so it will be maybe you will be facing with rejection or others issue. So this is how can you do the day and month and year in Excel. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.